Hello, my name is Oberefo, the convener of the seminar and empowerment program teams Own Your Company and Build Transgenerational Wealth Post-COVID. The essence of this program is to support and encourage a significant number of people to leverage on their capacity as wealth creators. This seminar is targeted at business owners, especially the youth population, and intending business owners as well. Guess what? Attending this seminar gives you an opportunity to have free CAC registration, business financing and non-collateral loan, free training and business consultancy, business mentorship for 3 months, and opportunity to revamp your existing business. This is scheduled to hold on the 4th of December 2021. Venue, Radisson Blue Hotels, Victoria Island, Lagos. Time, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Promises to be very impactful, and I'll be delighted to speak with you as your host and one of your keynote speakers. You have an opportunity to liaise and network with top business executives and renowned professionals in various fields and industry. Date again is 4th December 2021. Venue, Rising Hotel, Victoria Island, Lagos. Time is 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Register on the link below or on my bio. See you there.